Okay, now let's just analyze this code. Okay. Let's just first run this, right? Run this module, and as you can see, when you runs, let's say the country is this is Canada, Italy, Germany, and etc. And this is gold medal, silver, bronze, and total, right? And then if you look at the first, if you look at this output, right? This country, gold, and silver, bronze, and total. Basically this. The first print, because of this print statement, you will see this line, right? And then basically there goes to for loop. There are two for loops. The outer loop, and then inside there is inner loop, right? So basically for the outer loop, they will print countries I. So basically this is a just list, single dimensional array, which is just list, right? So the I will be increment. So I will change from 0 to how many countries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 countries, right? So I will starting from 0, right? Ends with 7. So when I is a 0, it will print Canada, right? It's Canada. Right? It will print Canada, and then it goes to the inner loop, right? And the inner loop basically it will print the counts ij, which is this one, 303. So inner loop, inside the inner loops, it will print 030. And while it's printing a 030, it will calculate the total metals, right? Meaning that it fixes basically what? It fixed I. So I is a fixed, right? It fixed I. And then increment j by, the j will be incremented by 1, right? And that's how they calculate the total, right? This is like adding rows, right? In the previous lecture slide is basically what? Adding rows, right? So let's just simplify. You know what? Let's just simplify this code a little bit. What I can do it is I'm not going to calculate total. So basically I'm going to comment out total, right? Because I'm not going to compute the total, and therefore I'm not going to print total, right? And then I don't need the total is equal to 0, right? And in this code, when I run this, the only okay, so let's just run this one module. Oops. I see. So because of this, what I need to do is I have to still print, because it has to print the next line, new line. So I'll just print. However, I'm just print instead of a total, I'll just print total is equal to is basically total. You know what? I did undo. Right, okay, total. And then I'll just basically, the total is equal to 0. I'm not going to add anything, okay? So when I run this, right, so the total is a 0, right? Okay. So this is like, now I'm going to put it back, total, and it will calculate the total of metals won by each country, right? So run module. Good. Okay, so let's just analyze. Okay, so let's just hand trace this sample code.